Today we're going to learn about the one thing that's going to keep your trade stuck. And you don't want that, right? So make sure you watch it from beginning to end because I'm going to be explaining how you can avoid losses on your inter-exchange trade. Okay, you're welcome to Income Strategies. And today is going to be all practicals, okay? So we have been told by our wonder tool, yes, that we should pick a particular coin. But before I unveil the coin, do you know that we have already launched our new ebook tagged the 5 mega strategies? This is going to help you get over 85% win rate in your trades, specifically for spot trading, but you can apply it to other kind of trading. So if you want to get you at a ridiculous price today, just click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Okay, so let's quickly unveil our signal for the day. So let's go. We have to go pick XNL. Our wonder tool said we should go pick XNL, okay, on KuCoin. Now, if you want to get access to the wonder tool, I'm going to explain to you shortly, but let's quickly go and see that this is profitable, okay? So this is XNL. So let's quickly see whether this is going to be profitable, okay? Put in $100, copy what you see there. We just want to quickly copy it to be sure before we come back and give all the explanations, okay? We come over here to MXC and see whether it's going to be profitable. XNL. We want to quickly be sure that this is going to be profitable. And then we paste it in here, okay? Beautiful. It is profitable. So we've been able to establish, look at what we got here, 2.6%. Awesome. Now that we've been able to establish that it is profitable, let's go back to KuCoin and I'm going to give you all the juicy details, okay? I'm going to show you what you must look out for. You see this order book on the left hand side. It could be on the right hand side in your own exchange, but you see this order book is where all the magic happens. If you're sleeping and snoozing on this order book, your trades are going to be stuck. Now why? Because it shows you the prices of the coins. It also shows you the numbers of the things that are the pieces that are listed here. So you have to pay attention, right? Now, just in case you want to know how you can get access, 7 days or 30 days access to our wonder tool, you are going to be able to get that when you click on the links in the description and chat with me. What do you get? You get our full training program. You're also going to get my ebook for free. You're going to get the full recording of how to use the wonder tool platform, and what's more important is that you're going to get 2 or 3 days one-on-one class with me. That is so invaluable, and people that have attended it have said it has been wow. I'm not saying that because I want you to praise me, but I'm giving all the glory to God. Okay, let's get back. Now, first of all, for us to be able to understand this order book thingy, you need to put in your money. That's the $100, right? How many pieces are written here? 92081. Okay, you come over to the red side. Can you see this red side? You can see that first red, the price 001072. I can see that 64.43k. You have to be sure that the number of what you want to buy is there. Now, how many pieces are here? 92,081. You can see that a lot of things are, just moving up and down, We've got 15k, 64k, right? 80k. Can you see that? 90 on the third level, 90k. This is the part that you need to be very, very careful about. You have to make sure that you click on the one that has the number of what you want to buy. See this 108k? Can you see that 99k? You have to be sure that the number you want to buy is going to be available for you. Let me show you that again. We've got 92,000 pieces here, 92,081. You have to come here and look at the one that has the amount you want to buy. Can you see? This is 12k. It's not going to be enough. That's 96k. That's the one we're going to pick. And that means that the number of pieces are going to go down. You have to understand that. That is the amount you can buy outrightly. Because if you do not pick that one, you will have to pick the first one. Or maybe just pick the one that you have here. It's going to keep you stuck, right? And you can see it even has a number. It's just rotating and oscillating. You just have to pick that one, and that's what's going to help you to get it bought immediately. Do you understand that? But That's not all. Because whatever price you buy it here, you've got to take it over to the other side, right? So let's assume that we bought at a higher price. Okay, look at it. Look at this amount. Can you see what's going on here? We have 95K, we have 100K on the third level. It seems like all of those higher amounts are on the third level. Can you see 155K? I mean, this particular coin has a lot of traction, has a lot of, movement up and down, right? But you need to look very, very carefully before you leap, right? We picked the third price. That's what we picked. I'm picking that again to see, okay, now we've gotten 91,900. Let's copy that. That's what is important. So let's go over to see whether we can make profits with this amount, or we're just going to have to hold on and just wait in the queue. All right. So you need to understand this dynamics. So let's go over to Mexi. So remember that we've copied that amount. So let me refresh, right? Because you really want to be sure that you can make profit. So if I'll just paste it here outrightly to see whether I'll make profit. Yes, we can still make profit. We still have $102.75. So that means the price has actually increased, which is good, right? But you want to be sure. If you want to get this sold outrightly, you have to come over to the green part and check how many pieces are here. How many pieces are here? You have to choose it, or you just put it in the queue to wait for the time that you can get it purchased. And that's important. That's important. That's how you are able to avoid losses. Can you see what I have just done here? I have copied the amount I was able to get it on the originating platform, and now I'm here. I can see I can make profit. Let me click on sell again. And let's see whether we can make profit or not. We're selling, not buying. Yes, you can see the profits has gone up. But you see, that's not the most important thing. You have to check where you can actually buy. Look at the list of the prices here. And that's not funny. Why? Because on the seventh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on the seventh level, that's where we have 20,000, right? So we need to open this up completely. Let me try and open it up completely. Let me just see all the buy orders. Okay, look at what's going on here. If I want to get this sold immediately, I have to look at the level. I have to go to this low price. I can see 172,000 at this level here, 185,000. I want to sell 91,000, right? So I need to be able to check that really well. Look for the one that has, okay, I just saw it, 99,000. Wow. Let's look for it. Where's the 99,000? I'm saying 100. Okay, I just saw 100. Okay, so now I just put that here. That is, let me go back. Now look at this. I saw a 99,000. Let me just pick something else. That's okay, 119,000. If I paste this in here, can you see that I'm not making profit at all? I am not making profit. But if I just do it normally, you're going to just have to wait for it, right? So you have two choices, either to buy outrightly and sell outrightly, or set a sell limit order that you'll have to wait a little bit for. Now, of course, when you wait a little bit and it doesn't get bought, you can always sell your coin back or keep your coin or cancel your trade, right? But once you have bought it on the originating exchange, coming here to sell it is going to be difficult for you. I just shared with you how you can avoid losses on your inter-exchange arbitrage, trades. Now, is this trade profitable? It is profitable if you can wait. But if you want to get it bought quickly and sold quickly, it's not profitable. I hope that is clear. So just so that I can share that again with you, using the buy orders, when you want to sell, let me put all of the orders so you can understand what I'm saying. You have to pick the quantity that you can actually either get bought immediately or get sold immediately. I know this is very technical, and that's the reason why you should click on the link in the description to chat with me, because I'm going to be able to take you and hold your hands and share with you all these steps that will help you avoid making that mistake of choosing coins that look very beautiful and profitable, and they are profitable, right? But may get you stuck. I hope you've learned something from this. If you have, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the final episode.